ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ. Hello listeners, this is your RJ Chandana and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated an elder line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly.
So here I welcome Mr. K.L. Rao, who is going to talk about Women's Day, for International Women's Day, that is on 8th March 2023. So it's all to Mr. K.L. Rao.
Hello listeners, this is Lakshman Rao Kantamsetti, formerly with Indian Bank. Nowadays I am talking over Annamaya Radio, as you know. Today the topic is empathy personified as women. Empathy personified as women, or women's services are incredible, because all of you know March 8th is celebrated as International Women's Day all over the world. That is why I have chosen this topic. Indian women, since long time, they were confined to home, taking care of the families, cleaning the premises, cooking the food, washing the clothes, looking after the sick, serving the food, and treating the guests, whatnot. All these matters are well dealt by the Indian women. So, all the men folk should definitely acknowledge this great service, thank them. We have to repeatedly thank them, not one day. Throughout 365 days we have to do it. Later on, women education started with Savitri Bai Phule in 1862. At that time, earlier there was no education for girls at all. Only Savitri Bai Phule and Jyoti Rao Phule, wife and husband, they started schools, 18 schools in number, and in every school, girls outnumber boys. That means those schools were opened especially to educate girls. This particular couple, wife and husband, they were strongly determined. Unless we educate girls, there is no future for women. There is no individuality for women. So they have decided that they have to educate girls. This when happened? 160 years ago. 160 years. Just think their vision. Jyoti Rao Phule and Savitri Bai Phule, their vision is great thing. Only because they started educating girls at that time, now we say women empowerment. Otherwise, there would have not been any women empowerment at all in our country. So, the British declared the best teacher award for Srimati Savitri Bai Phule. Of course, She worked for other purposes also. Only this women education, women empowering is the main thing. Other things are she fought against untouchability, she fought against child marriages, she encouraged widow marriages, etc. That is a different issue. Now, what I want to say, with educating girls, later on educating women also, employment started. So, women education, women empowerment. So nowadays, you don't find any department where women are not employed. In almost all the departments and ministries, we see women working in different cadres, different levels, with different designations. And you see the school girls, junior college girls, degree girls, PG girls performing very well in their exams, the results we have seen. So, women or girls, they take it up seriously, more seriously, sincerely than the boys to prove their abilities, capabilities. That's how we are seeing in the result girls really doing very well. So now, all these people are working for different departments. But here we have to see one thing. There is a big challenge for girls or women because they have to spend a lot of time at home looking after the families, because domestic work is still considered as it is a female's job. That is why men folk at home, they are not coming forward in sharing the job or work at home. So it is a big challenge for women to balance the work at home and work at office, both. It is a big challenge. So, and also in some departments, women get less salary than counterparts men. This is wrong. This is wrong. You see, banks and government departments, women and men, they get same salary, same basic, same DA, etc. But in some departments, still women are not getting the same salary and pay allowances as are paid to men. So this is wrong. But one thing I got an idea. Instead of asking all these departments to give equal salary to women also, I got an idea that let them reduce the number of hours for women right now. Till when men also take up or share the work at home, that is a different thing. It takes a lot of time, I know that. So now what I say, all the departments who are engaging or employing women, let them reduce the working hours for women. Slightly, it is easy for them balancing office work and family work. That's what I feel. This is one thing. Number two, as we are very much sure that Indian women have taken wonderfully well our families, if they take up same care of the society, definitely it will be nice. See, women, they have empathy, they have patience, and they have sacrifice. These are all the great qualities I see in women. I greet all the women on this day, March 8th. So, on account of these triads means qualities, women are excelling whatever they are doing. That's what I see. So, if they are so wonderfully performing their work at home, they will definitely do excellently well taking care of the society also, because of their triads, because of their great qualities. So I wish to see more women officers in police department. I want to see more women in key positions in the country. I want to see more women taking party tickets and contesting in elections and winning. When women participate more in policing, more in politics, then we can anticipate a great shift or a change or making a difference. Making a difference means the things in the society, things at large at the country will improve to a considerable extent. Take it from me. You will see that will happen. But only when we realize we'll get it done sooner than waiting. So we should not wait and take time. But if we understand, if we definitely feel that women will definitely contribute the society also, the way they contribute for family, we will have to definitely increase the number of women recruited in different departments, especially this police department and also politics. I want to see more women as MLAs, as MLCs, as MPs, etc., as ministers too. I foresee there will be considerable improvement in all the walks of life. This is what I say. And you see, teaching line, we see more lady teachers. Lecturers and professors, we see more lady lecturers and professors. And hospitals, you see the nurses, you see more female nurses. In South India, this male nurses designation has been abolished. All are female nurses only. But in North India, still you find in some states male nurses also. But female nurses are more than male nurses. Why? Because I'm telling you, they have more empathy, they have more patience, and they have sacrificing quality also because of this. And even air hostesses are more than male hosts. You also find there. So, because of their great qualities and traits, they are excelling at home, in the office, or even in the society. We have been watching. So, hats off to them, hats off to women. This is what I say. And I would like to tell through my talk to all the listeners, we have to respect women. We have to respect more. We have to respect women more. This is very, very important. We have to cooperate with them. We have to cooperate with them. Definitely, I would like to see a future with more women in all the departments and key positions also. This great country, India, will definitely excel in all the walks of life with contribution of women, Indian women. With this, I take leave of you. Thank you very much for your time. And not only listening, please do implement the two things. Encouraging women, cooperating with women, respecting women. All these three things are very, very important, especially for India. Namaste. Lakshman Rao takes leave and signs off. I will come again with another topic.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful talk. We really liked it. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you too have listened to the program. Stay tuned to Hirya Ravani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.